channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Amanda, and today I'm going to be sharing with you some of my favorite must-have winter products. Today I'm really excited to be teaming up with FabFitFun again. If you guys watched my last video during the fall time, it was my first time trying out FabFitFun and I absolutely loved it, so I'm so excited to be working with them again. If you guys are unaware of what FabFitFun is, it is a subscription box that comes seasonally, so 4 times a year, and it has a value of over $200, but it's $49.99 per month. But if you guys want to test it out for your first month's box, you can get $10 off with my code AmandaYT. The subscription box is full of beauty, wellness, and lifestyle products. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my box. What I really love about FabFitFun is recently they've switched it up a little bit, so you can pick out what you want in your box. You can choose between a few different things, so say you either want like a coffee mug or like a book, a blanket, or like a pair of mittens or something. You get to choose what you would use most, which is really, really nice, so you know you're going to be using what you receive in your box. As I said earlier, each box is $49.99 per season, but it comes with over $200 worth of products. So it's really nice because you get to try out full-size beauty products and you don't have to pay the full price. A lot of the products that come in the box are worth more than what you spend on the box itself, so it's really nice. You really get a huge bang for your buck, and I definitely recommend. What I really love about this month's box is it has some really nice brands like Anthropologie, Thrive, and Bear Paw. It's full of cruelty-free products. Most of the products you get inside are female-founded companies or nonprofits, so the money you're spending on the box is going towards a really great cause. This month's box is supporting the Kindness Factory, which is really, really close to my heart. If you guys are unaware, when I was in high school, me and some of my friends started up the Kind campaign in our high school. So basically, the Kindness Factory is the exact same thing. Especially around the Christmas season, it's so important to promote kind acts throughout our community. So I just really love that this winter box supports that. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I use all of my products that I got in my winter box. The first thing I'm going to grab out of my box is this blanket. It is perfect for any time of year. It's not too heavy, not too thick. So nice to just throw on when you're getting some schoolwork done because it keeps you cozy and warm without being too much. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup with this Pure Be Your Selfie eyeshadow palette. This is such a nice palette for the winter time. It has really pretty pinks, purples, browns in it with some nice shimmer shades. I love this for my go-to winter look. Because our skin can get so dry in the winter, it's so important to try and keep a shine to our skin. So I'm absolutely obsessed with this highlight stick. It's so easy to apply. You can just apply it under your brows, in your inner corner, even on your waterline, and on your Cupid's bow. It gives you a nice shine without being too much. To try and avoid your skin from becoming too dry, I always apply this coconut sugar whipped body cream after I get out of the shower. It smells seriously so good, guys. If you like coconut, it's not even too coconutty. It's such a nice scent and I'm absolutely obsessed with it. I just put this all over my body to keep from any dry spots. This next item is for the gal on the go. For the winter time coming up, a lot of us are going to be traveling back home from school. This is a jewelry organizer, which is literally, I think, the best invention ever. It has a spot for your rings, your earrings, bracelets, and even a spot where you can put your necklaces in so they won't get tangled. Seriously, my favorite thing in this entire box. It's so important to keep your head and your hands warm during the winter time so you don't get pneumonia. No fun. So I love this bear paw head wrap and these gloves. It's perfect for if you're on campus going running because your fingers can still be exposed, or if you're getting too cold, you can cover them over with the mitten part. Love these and definitely recommend some gloves like these. And instead of going for a run outside, for those of you who want to stay warm inside, these are absolutely perfect for doing some workouts on a carpet. Love these, and you really are able to get your workout in without having to go outside to the gym or anything. As I said before, winter is the time for dry skin, and I have such awful dry skin, so any type of hydration mask at all, I am down for trying. And this one seriously left my face feeling amazing. This is the Ahava, I hope I'm saying that correctly, hydration cream mask. You can either leave this on for 3 to 5 minutes or all night long. It's approved for sensitive skin, allergy tested, and paraben free. It's so important to know what you're putting on your face. This is clean of all chemicals, is amazing, and my face feels so nice and it's so glowy afterwards. Now I'm using these black eye masks. They have hyaluronic acid in them. These are for lightening up your under eyes. I've never had a huge problem with my under eyes, but I have to say after putting these on, I do see a difference. So you're supposed to use these about twice a week until you've kicked your bad habits, like maybe staying up too late. It is about final season, so I'm sure we're all there right now. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me and comment down below if you guys are a member of FabFitFun already, or if you plan on subscribing after this video. And also let me know your favorite thing that I got down below. Don't forget to use my code AmandaYT for $10 off your first box. If you guys are not subscribed already, I have a bunch of videos coming up. There will be 2 videos posted per day during December, so you guys should definitely stick around and join my lovely little family for the holidays. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, Twitter, and everything, you can follow me at AmandaLouiseYT. And until the next video, don't forget to live lovely. I love you guys so much. Bye.